This is So Girly Bags, and on this channel I share my bag making ideas and tutorials to help you sew all kinds of bags. In this video we are going to recap some of my favorite bags that we made in 2022. I love them all, but it's time to sell them, put them in my Etsy shop so we can continue to make more amazing bags in 2023. Let's start with a few of them. We had this one, was super cute. It was like a little drawstring bag, leather on the top, velvet on the bottom. Has a few pockets on the inside. Adorable. A little drawstring bag. Just adorable. Absolutely love it. So cute. We also made a little handbag with a cute little lemur on the front. Isn't he cute? But this bag is made from leather. A little twist lock on the front. You can add whatever type of strap you like. That's what I like the most about bag making. The straps are a lot of fun. And our little lemur bag with the little purse feet. Just adorable. This little handbag is so cute. I love it. I like it a lot. This was cute. I put little purse feet on the bottom. This one was adorable. The next one I really adored. This one was the little denim bag with the little flowered flap. I added a gold chain strap. And something I love is Hello Kitty. I love Hello Kitty. I added the Hello Kitty zipper pull. It's got a pink zipper, flowers on the inside, but really pretty. Isn't she just so stinking cute? Just super cute. I love it. Love, love, love. You gotta go bye-bye. But got a little leather, brown leather handle. I love it. Love it, love it. Okay, so this one was made out of Indian fabric scraps. It's so cute. It's a round shape, and I use the scraps to make the front of it, but I absolutely love this one. Has a little pocket on the back, but look how cute it is. I actually really love this one a lot. So just to show you this one, amazing. Really cute. So yeah, I like this one. It's one of my faves. This one was adorable as well. It was this little puffy denim handbag. It had a little zipper divider on the inside, and it's just adorable. This one's just cute too. I love it. It's quilted. Just really simple. Really cute. I love it. Gotta have a good Japanese knot bag. We made one of these last year in 2022. This is just so cute. With the right outfit, just adorable. So yeah, gotta have the Japanese knot bag. Adorable. Made this one from an Armani dust bag. Super cute. Just a little simple something. Throw your keys, your phone in. So adorable. Love it, love it. This one, in case you're going to the store or the library, you can throw books in here. It has pockets. I love this little messenger bag. It's one of my favorites. It could be a crossbody bag. It could be whatever you want, but it's so adorable. It's all canvas material, flowered canvas. It's pretty lilac color. I made this one a while ago, but I still love it. It's the little African print bag. It's got the bamboo handles. I also made a lanyard to go with it, so you can wear your lanyard. Say you're going on a little cruise, you want a little lanyard, but you want a cute little bag to wear while you're out and about. Love it. It's amazing, and it's made with denim. Yep, so cute. It's like a bag inside of a bag. I love it. This one I love too. It's just so nice and colorful. It's got a little tassel on it. Got pockets on the front, pom-poms on the back. I also made a wallet to go with this one. So the wallet goes with it. It also has the little pom-pom on it. The wallet has a lot of pockets on the inside. You can put your phone in there. But this one, this little set was so adorable. Love this one we made. It's an African print clutch bag, but it's got genuine leather on the bottom. A quilted top. Feels so good. Super cute. Love it. So soft. But it's just the most adorable clutch bag. Absolutely cute. Isn't that cute? And who doesn't love a fuzzy tote bag? Really soft for the winter. Love it, goes with anything. You can wear it wherever you're going. It's so cute. I love this one. So soft. You can use it to put books in. It has a soft, shimmery denim on the inside. This one's really cute too. Canvas straps. Nice, comfortable straps. My favorite tote bag for the winter. I'm from New Orleans, so I made a shotgun house tote bag. It's made of denim and canvas on the inside. But you can put whatever you want in this. This is big enough to just make it like an overnight bag or just an everyday tote bag, wear it to work. But it's got cute little canvas straps, pockets on the back. Just really, we have shotgun houses in New Orleans, so that's what inspired me to make this bag. I just adore it. Would hate to see it go, but it's gotta go. This one's good for a stadium. Saints play here. They're not doing too good, but it's a nice clear little stadium bag. When you're going into the stadium, you can put whatever you want in it so they can see. But love that one. Super cute, clear, easy to make. That was one of my favorites. This is my favorite wallet this year we made. It's got 2 snaps on the front, little embroidered flowers. It's made of canvas. It's got a ton of pockets, vinyl pockets up top, slip pocket right here. This one just was so cute to make, and it came together really easy. So it's one of my favorite wallets. Love it. So cute. Has a zipper on the bag. Yep, we made this. We made this. My favorite backpack this year we made from a Louis Vuitton dust bag. It was 2 little dust bags. One we made for the flap, and the back pocket was a small little dust bag. This one's so cute. It's a backpack, so you can throw it over your shoulder. So adorable. I love the backpack. Made of leather too, and denim. So this was a fun little make. So adorable. It does have pockets on the front. Also has a slip pocket right here. I had some Louis Vuitton material, so I used that to line some of the pockets. Has another pocket on the inside, and I used that to make a little tassel. This one's really cute. So I love this backpack. Yep, we made this one too. And you guys remember this one? This was made from the scraps. It has a cute blue leather strap that I got from an old purse. And it has this pretty blue leopard lining on the inside. No pockets. But this one was really, really cute also. So yeah, I really liked this one also. Really cute. Creative. Love bag making. You can make it however you want to. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed all of the bags that we made in 2022. I know I did. It's gonna be hard for me to let them go and sell them, but I have to. That's the reason why I make them, to make money. So maybe we'll do a video on how I price them. Like I said, next year we'll be making so many more amazing bags. New techniques, all new ideas. I can't wait, I'm excited. 2022 was amazing, but it's time to move on and make some more. So stick around for 2023 bags. I love you guys, and I'll see you later. Bye.